Do you have an industrial gearbox that's overheating? Do you need a solution from one supplier that will fix that issue? Here at OEM Dynamics, we're experts in gearbox cooling, filtration and lubrication systems. If you're familiar with gearboxes and the requirement to keep the oil temperature filtered and cool, you'll be familiar with some of the items that we have here. You'll also know that you'll need to go to potentially 10 different suppliers to be able to get the one solution. Here at OEM Dynamics, we've manufactured a number of these components individually on their own, but now we're able to combine them all together into one solution to meet exactly what the customer requires. Typically, solutions like this are supplied with gearbox manufacturers that may be overseas with 6 to 8 month lead time. Here at OEM Dynamics, we can turn it around from concept through to finished project in under 6 weeks. The 3 components on a lube module essentially are a pump of sorts to circulate oil through the unit, a filtration system to clean the oil, and a heat exchanger. On the pressure side, typically there's temperature monitoring because ultimately that's what gearboxes need to ensure the oil is circulating quick enough and enough volume to get the right temperature. We also have pressure gauges to monitor system pressures to make sure that there aren't any blockages in the system. Pretty much standard on all the modules that OEM makes, we provide a Duplex system which enables changing filter elements without the need of actually stopping the system. If you want to change that unit, simply rotate the handle and oil will be circulating through the left-hand filter element. The right one, which is not in use now, can simply be removed by a spanner, and the filter element can be removed, discarded, or in some cases cleaned and then put back into service. Filter units, typically we offer them with electronic indicators as well as visual indicators. If the filter element's clogged, the indicator will pop up and that can be connected back into the site's electrical system for fault monitoring. This heat exchanger, we've set it up with a bypass system, so to prevent overpressurizing. So should the heat exchanger get clogged or should there be any other issue where the oil may potentially be really thick and exceeding the required pressure exerted back on the pump, it will bypass and then exit and then go back to the gearbox. What also helps control the temperature of the oil returning to the gearbox is the water control. Here, this unit here is equipped with what we call a water-modulating valve. This unit uses a bulb sensor which plugs into the hot side of the oil. That sensor is calibrated with the valve so that it can control the water flow in and out of the heat exchanger. This ultimately allows the unit to cool only when it really needs to cool, but also help maintain a constant temperature of oil going back to the gearbox. Here at OEM Dynamics, we have a one-stop solution that will reduce the lead time to provide a system to suit your needs. All the components are available through us, which simplifies the warranty process should there be any, and also spare parts requirements for when you need them down the track.